Edge devices enable fast and scalable quality checks. In this demo, we inspect printed markings on rotating knife handles using MERLIC on Siemens Industrial Edge. Hi, my name is Philipp and I work as an application engineer here at MVTec. We currently stand in front of the Siemens on Edge knife inspection demo. Using the example of print inspection, so here the logo on the pocket knife, this demonstrates how easily MVTec MERLIC can be utilized on the Siemens Industrial Edge platform. It combines our no-code platform MERLIC and Siemens Industrial Edge. Siemens Industrial Edge is a ready-to-use edge computing platform that combines edge devices, container-based apps, and centralized management tools for global deployment and control. And our easy-to-use platform MERLIC fits neatly into the ecosystem. In this demo, at first, the image acquisition is performed. Then we are matching the MVTec logo here on the pocket knife, and based on that, we determine a region where a deep learning-based segmentation of the cross is performed. And all of this happens on the Siemens Edge device. This makes it usable across all industries for manufacturing businesses. We have a wide range of applications, so various objects can be inspected, and the full MERLIC tool library is available on Siemens Industrial Edge. MERLIC on Siemens Industrial Edge makes quality inspection fast, robust, and easy to scale.